When I'm lonely, baby, it's like my friends don't know me. Girl, I used to be my homie. Got me with a leash, she saw me. Even the trees get lonely. Left me here, 3 in the morning, questioning all the things you told me. I lost me in the morning, baby, if you need it, show it. And if you ever needed or wanted, I got you, you know that.
Guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yummy D here, and we are in New York. I'm here to do my New York girls lashes, so this could be super excited. This video is gonna be like a weekly vlog of my life and like the process of like how I do this whole multi-state traveling back and forth lash tech thing. So we just got to New York. I'm about to unpack my bags and just like get comfortable because we're gonna be here for about 10 days. I need to unpack my bag and just like set everything up and just get cozy. So I'm gonna do that real quick.
I said I know we ain't on the same page no more. And that's a shame that we ain't we used to be so close. Yes, I'm down and I'm clowning in my sorrows, babe. Hey, yeah, you don't miss me, babe. I'm already trying to miss me, babe. There's been somebody else since me, babe. Think I might do the same, don't tempt me, baby. Hit the party and get friendly. Honestly, no, I don't got it in me. It's no fun when you're not here with me. It's no fun when you're not here with me, yeah.
Good morning, you guys. So it is the next day. Hold on. So it is the next day. I'm actually getting ready right now. I think it's about to be 8 o'clock. We have a busy day today. I need to basically because I'm moving where I'm lashing now. I'm going to another room. I need to do that. I need to fully set up in the other room I'm about to lash in. And then we have 4 clients today. So today is a busy day. I'm just wearing my Lululemon set because it's not that, I mean, it is cold because it's near, but it's not that cold outside. So I'm just gonna wear this. And then I need to do my edges, y'all, but I'm not doing that. I'm not putting no heat in my hair. I'm so ready to take these braids out. But my birthday's coming up, so the next hairstyle's gonna be my birthday hairstyle, so these braids are gonna stay. Honestly, when I get back to Atlanta, I'm taking these braids out, but I get back to Atlanta on the 20th and my birthday's on the 5th. So yeah, I'm taking my braids out because these braids, they gotta go. And honestly, I heard it's not good to have braids in your hair for too long. Well, honestly, it's not good to have any hairstyle in your hair for too long, but that's besides the point. I'm just rambling at this point. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. This is gonna drive me, so let's go. So we just got to work. I'm about to set everything up. I'm gonna put everything like right here in this room. So I'm about to go ahead and start dragging everything in here. I just finished setting everything up. I did the best that I can. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my client now. It is 10:30. She should be on. She should be here. But I'm missing my nail client so much. So yeah, I'm excited. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Well, so yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Troubling. They don't love me anyway. They don't love me anyway. Troubling. They don't love me anyway. Don't get my feelings hurt. I know the ceiling's gone. Don't get my feelings hurt. This time I'm not the one. Don't get my feelings feelings hurt. I'm a vibe out to get hey. I'm a vibe out to get away. I'm a vibe out to get away. I'm a vibe out to get away. Continue, my eyes might break. If I was silent, I'll go insane. If I was just lost, then my life would be yours. So give me the name, give me something to react by it. Wake me up and dance. Give me something to react by it. I'm a vibe out to get hey. I'm a vibe out to get I'm a vibe out to get away. I'm a vibe out to get hey. I'm a vibe out to get fire. And that's the vibe. Love and desire. Love and desire. Love and fire. And that's the vibe. Love and desire. 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 I'm a vibe out to get hey. I'm a vibe out to get I'm a vibe out to get away. I'm a vibe out to get hey. I'm a vibe out to get fire. And that's the vibe. Love and desire. Love and desire. Love and fire. And that's the vibe. Love and desire. 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 Love and desire.
So it is the end of my workday. Just finished doing 4 clients. I'm about to head home. Well, I'm about to clean up first and then head home, and then I will see you guys tomorrow. Later. Hey guys, it's been like a couple of days. It's actually been like the week after. It's Tuesday, I believe. Let me catch my breath. It's Tuesday. I've been working all week last week. I didn't really vlog that much because, you know, I've been working a lot. So today's a new week. So yeah, today's a new week. It's about 3 o'clock right now. I have a client at 3:30. I have 2 clients. One at 3:30 and one at 6. So I'm about to just go ahead and sit down, relax, because as you guys can tell, I'm out of breath. So yeah, let me go do that. So, hold on. Okay, so like I said, just got into work. Today's gonna be a quick day for me. I only have 2 clients today. And they're both, I believe, volume sets. I know my client that's coming right now, it's a volume set. So I only have 3 more days. I only have 3 more days left in New York, and then I go back home to Atlanta. I cannot wait to go back home. Like, New York is just literally, New York and Georgia are just 2 different vibes. I still really enjoy coming to New York. I get to see my clients that have been coming to me since I started lashes. I get to see I just get to see my clients that like I grew a bond with, so that's really enjoyable. every time I come down to New York, it's just welcoming vibes. And I don't know, I feel like every time I come to New York, I feel more inspired. So hopefully, like, I can keep that momentum with me when I go to Georgia, because I don't know, Georgia's just a different kind of vibe, but that's a whole nother story for a whole nother day. And yeah, it's really hot in the store. I'm about to turn the AC on. It's like 75 degrees in here, but I feel like it's hotter than that. It's cooking. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna be done rambling. I'm charging my phone, my work phone, so I can put on some music. So yeah, we're just gonna get ready for the day. Okay, so I just finished my first, y'all hear that? Yeah, I need to stretch. But anyways, I just finished my first client of the day. We have one more client. We're actually doing a light volume set with we're doing a light volume set with color lashes. She wants a pop of blue in her lashes. So her appointment is in like 18 minutes. So I'm gonna clean up and get ready for her, and then we're out of here. Can't wait. So I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna clean up and get ready for so I'm about to go ahead and clean up my station again and get ready for her to come so we could be out of here.
Baby,
Sorry I look a little crazy. I had an early flight. Your girl made it back home from New York. Your girl is a beat. If you guys made it to the end of this vlog, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And just to get a little glimpse of how my life is traveling from New York to Atlanta, being a lash tech. Like this video if you want more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.